All right, you watched us build this patio, so now it's time to finish this project. It's time to cut the old sod out, prep the dirt, install the plants, and lay in the new lawn. This installation is going to be brand new and polished from corner to corner. Normally we'd have some machinery hauling this debris in and out of the yard to save on labor, but we took our crew and moved them on to the next project, and our machinery went with it. So here we are, prepping this site with some shovels and some wheelbarrows, and we're getting it into the truck the old-fashioned way. Once the site is prepped, we have to paint our bed lines and start laying the plants in. Doug's so deeply invested into the designs he creates, he wants to be part of the layout, and I'm glad to have the qualified help. He's a real asset to our team, and we like having him around. The plants have arrived and the beds are laid out. It's time to start getting these plants installed. Once the plants are installed, we throw our mulch down, because it's nice to get that in place before we lay our sod, so that we don't end up running the wheelbarrows over our fresh sod a million times over. We abuse our large collection of dethatchers to really fine-tune the soil in order to get our final grade set. All that's left to do is lay down some fresh rolls and this project is done. Once the last roll of sod is in place, there's a lot of cleanup to do before we can pull off this job and call it done, but that's no problem. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notifications so these videos will show up in your feed and you can see all our projects. If you want to see this project from start to finish, there's a link to the playlist there, and we're going to have a video next week where the customer talks about her experience. If you want to know more about our company, here's a playlist there. I'm Scott Flanagan. I appreciate you watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.